Hey guys, Scott here in the Eastwood Garage, and dead blow hammers are an essential tool in any toolbox. They reduce vibration through their handles while maximizing power at impact. The Eastwood slim head dead blow hammers make short work of any project. The icing on the cake is they're made right here proudly in the United States of America for quality and longevity. If you've never used a dead blow hammer before, you're in for a treat. A shot-filled canister is encased in each head. As the hammer strikes the surface, the shot-filled canister inside absorbs the shock and reduces any kickback you would find in a traditional hammer. We offer 5 sizes of hammer to make sure you have the best size for the job at hand. The sizes are 8, 18, 22, 26, and 36 ounces. The 36-ounce version offers an offset head, perfect for smacking a stuck piston. No matter which size you pick, they're all built to stand the test of time. The shot canister is welded directly to the rod to ensure maximum strength and safety. From here, each outer shell is built with polyurethane coating, which is incredibly strong to prevent mushrooming, chipping, and splitting. On the handle, you'll find a textured grip that stops slips and reduces fatigue. Since every shop needs a dead blow hammer, make sure to check out the Eastwood Slim Head Dead Blow Hammers, which are made in the USA. For more information to be able to purchase, you can click or tap the button in the corner or follow the link that appears on screen.